Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. This is Marie from Let's Cook with Tapo. Today before I start my show, I'd like to thank every single one of you for helping me reaching out 100 subscribers. I thank you very much for believing in me, and I ask you to continue to support me throughout the rest of my videos. Thank you. Hello guys, today is the start of Memorial Day weekend, so I'm gonna make fried chicken in the oven. So let's get started. So I'm gonna need 4 pounds of chicken wings, 1 tablespoon of creole seasoning, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoon of pepper sauce, and of course the vinegar. So we're gonna start by seasoning the chicken. So I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to the chicken. Okay. I'm gonna add the pepper sauce. I'm gonna season the first side and then I'll flip over to season the other side. Okay, so now we're gonna start with the salt. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle salt over. Okay, I'm gonna add the creole seasoning. I'm gonna flip over to cook the other side. And then we're gonna add the garlic. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of oil. And I'd like to keep my chicken for about 2 hours. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for 2 hours. I have another tray already prepared in the fridge. So we're gonna bake the chicken. I'm gonna bake the chicken for 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Where I don't wanna overcook it. Just wanna barely cook it for 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna cover the chicken so I'm gonna bake it for 20 minutes. I'm gonna cover it very nicely. And so I baked the chicken for 20 minutes. And now I'm gonna prepare the batter to fry the chicken. To prepare the marinated batter, we will need 2 cups of flour, half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, half a cup of ground cornflakes, 2 eggs, and then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of salt to the flour. I'm gonna whisk the eggs. And I'm gonna put it aside. I'm gonna prepare the dry ingredient now. I'm gonna mix all the dry first, dry ingredient. The garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, the Italian spice, the ginger, and the crumbs. So I'm gonna start coating the chicken and with the marinated sauce. And so I'm gonna dump it in the egg first, and then marinate in the sauce. Okay, like so, like so. And I'll do everything just that way. This is one. So I coat the chicken in the marinated sauce. So I'm gonna fry them. Fry them. And the chicken. There we have our fried chicken. I like to decorate my chicken with some salmon on the side, like the Chinese people do. It's beautiful. Thanks guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it. So you can always click the description box for the recipe. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes.